Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Hello Helper. And friend, today we are going to learn how to add text on image. So friend, here you can see this is my simple image, and here we are going to write some text on image. Okay, so let's see how we can add that. Here I'm going to show you different methods to put text on image. Okay, so friend, right now you can see this is my image, and here we are going to follow some methods. Okay, so first of all we are going to open Microsoft Windows, then you have mspaint. Okay, what you will do, simply open your mspaint and then you can do that. Okay, so here we are going to search paint software, and here we are going to open that image. Okay, click on file and then click on open, and here we are going to add that path where your image is available. You can directly open that and you simply click on open. So friend, now you can see my image is showing over here, and we are going to put some tags like sample tags. Okay, so here you will see this option A. You simply click on that, and here you can increase the size of your tags like this. Okay, you can add bold, also you can change the fonts. Okay, so simply I'm going to select any font, and here I'm going to type sample text. Here we can increase the size, so that will be easy to. Okay, so here by this way you can easily increase the size. Okay, here I'm going to add 100. So by this way you can add this, and also you can change the text color. Like, so simply select that color, and then here you can put, this is white color. Okay, so by this way you can easily add text on your image, and here we are going to save it. Okay, so let's see, we are going to click on this save. So right now we are going to do Ctrl Z, because that image will replace automatically. That's why right now we are going to save as. Here we are going to add 2. Okay, now we are going to add sample text and save it. So friend, here we are going to check it out. So friend, now you can see this sample text we have added over here. So this is first method, you can add text in your image by mspaint. Now I'm going to show you the second method to put text on image. Okay, so what you will do, simply open your browser, and here we are going to type Canva. Canva is one of the best platform where you can easily design your image and all. You can do that very easily. So here first of all we are going to create some design. Okay, so here what you will do, you can make thumbnails, photos and all things. You can do that. First of all we are going to click on this template. So here you will get these options. Now we are going to, here we are simply type post, Facebook post. Okay, so here you will get this, create a new blank Facebook post. So here you will see blank document is created now, and here we are going to upload that image. So here we are going to upload that image. So now friend, you can see this image is uploaded over here. We simply drag into this like this. Here you can see we have drag over here, and now you can here see text. You simply click on that, and here you can add heading. Okay, here I'm going to type sample text, or you can directly change the fonts which you want like this. Okay, so lots of fonts are available, and here you can also add effects like shadow. If you want to add shadow, then you can do that. Here you can change like this, and here lots of things are available. If you want to do the curve thing, then this will work. Here you can change the curve option. So friend, now I'm happy with this design. Right now we are going to export this image. You simply click on this share option, and now you can see the download. Simply click on this download, and here you will select PNG option, so you will get it done. You simply click on this download button. So what happened, this image will download into your computer. So now you can see here we are going to cut this image first and paste into our image path. So friend, now you can see here we have added text in image. So this is by Canva, this is by Microsoft Paint, And now we are going to see third method to write text on image. So what we will do, simply here we are going to type Google slide. So now this is Google Slides, and here we are going to open our Google Slides. And now you simply click on this blank document. So this blank slide will create it, and now we are going to remove all the things. Okay, here we are going to put that image. Okay, so what we will do, simply click on insert, then image, and upload from computer. So here we are going to open it, so you can easily resize this image very easily. So now you can see we have resized all the things. Now we are going to put the text. Okay, so here you can add text box, and here I'm going to type sample text. Simply select that and increase the size which you want. Here I'm going to simply type 100, so that will increase. So now you can see this is very big. Now we are going to little bit small. Okay, so you can see this text is added. Here you can change the color. Now we are going to add white color. Here you can bold it, underline, you can do that, but right now that is not required. And here you can increase the size, okay, like this. So friend, now you can see we have added this text, and what you will do, simply click on this file, and then here you can easily click on import slides. Here you can click on this file tab. Now click on this download, and here you can see PNG image current slide. You simply click on that. So what happened, your image will download over here. We are going to cut it, and now we are going to paste into our sample file. So here you can see. So friend, here I am sharing with you 3 methods to add or write text on image, so you can learn these things. And friend, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then click on like button and share with your friends and family, so they can also learn about these things, how to write text on image. And friend, if maybe you have any query or question, you can comment me below, so I will give you the answer. So friend, thank you for watching, and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. And if maybe you have any query or question, please comment me below so I can help you. So friend, again, thank you for watching, and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video.